Hi, welcome to another screencast video of AlgoDocs. Today I will walk you through extracting data using the Form Data Extraction method on your AlgoDocs account. This method is best used for extracting key value pairs and documents with checkboxes. Here are the two sample documents we will be using for the tutorial. We have an anonymized patient information sheet and a permit record also anonymized with checkboxes. Let's begin. As the first step, we create an extractor for the first document. We name it Patient Form and choose the sample document from our device. With the extractor created, we can jump into the editor to begin capturing our fields. We use the Add button to add fields or tables and select our preferred extraction method, which will be Form Data Extraction for this example. AlgoDocs takes a few seconds to process the document, and then we can see the sample file. Then continue to the extractor editor. The captured data is represented with keys in one column and values in a corresponding column, with accuracy just as we have on the form. With the Add Filter button, we can perform further processing of the data, such as using the Search and Replace filter to remove colon from rows captured in column 1. We can also change the way our table is represented by using the Swap Rows and Columns filter. This sets the keys as column headers and values as table contents. We can give this field a name and save. Let's open a new tab to access other pages in our account. Now, if we head to the Extracted Data page, we can select the extractor and see our newly extracted data. We select Excel to see the extracted data output in Excel. Here is our extracted data in Excel. We can decide to hide the default column headers, and to do that, we head back to the Extractors page. In the Extractor settings, we check the Remove Column Headers from Tables option and Save settings. Then we head back to the Extracted Data page. We can refresh the table and view our extracted data. We export to Excel, and we can see the extracted data without column headers. We head back to our extractor editor. We can do more with our extracted data. For example, we can take out this filter and leave our extracted data with just keys and values, then rename the column headers using the Set Column Headers filter under Alter Columns. We then save and head back to extracted data to see the change. You will notice we don't see the column headers, so we head back to Extractor settings to uncheck the Remove Column Headers option. Now we can see our new column headers in the Extracted Data page and in the Excel extracted data when exported. Let's create a new extractor in the Extractors page for our document with checkboxes. We give it a name and upload the sample file. We then head to the Extractor editor to begin capturing our data. We will be using the Form Data Extraction method. After the processing of the document, we can continue to adding filters. You notice that AlgoDocs recognizes checkboxes as selected or unselected in the raw data. To further refine the output, we can use the Search and Replace filter with the Search by Text option to output every occurrence of unselected in column 2 as either no, nil, or none. We can define any output with the Search and Replace filter. We will be settling for the output, nil, for this example. Then we repeat the same step for changing selected to yes or any output of choice. We can also use the Search and Replace filter to take out colons appearing in rows in column 1. With our table data cleaned, we can now set column headers using the Set Column Headers option under the Alter Columns filter. We then give this field a name and save. Let's head to our extracted data page to see the extracted data for the new extractor we created. Here is our extracted data, and we can also export to Excel. We have the keys and their values properly arranged in Excel. To upload more documents for data extraction to our newly created extractors, we head to File Manager, right-click on the root folder, and select the first option to upload files for extraction. Then we select the extractor and upload the files from our device. We repeat this step for the second extractor. We can also see the newly uploaded files in our File Manager list. Now, if we head over to the extracted data page, we can see the updated record for our newly extracted data in the first extractor. We also have new extracted data in the second extractor. AlgoDocs also offers integrations for automating the import of files for data extraction and the export of extracted data. For any questions and support, please contact support@algodocs.com. Thank you for watching.